What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, and I'm here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, like button for the YouTube algorithm. Do not forget to subscribe, man. We're doing a quick market update right now, just seeing what's going on, keeping y'all updated. We have some, news that, I feel holders should be aware of, and just, the new approach and acceptance we're seeing from politicians and their push for regulation. So it's getting serious, y'all. Come join our private investment community, private stock market game. Follow me on Twitter at DecemberDeMarco. Quick market update, price action. We're up 4% overall. The entire crypto market cap is sitting at 1.74%. We got Bitcoin at 38,000, up 3.4% for the day. Also, ETH is sitting back at that 25.77 level, up 4.6% on the day. BNB is up, however, 4.5% at 383.48. And then we got XRP at 72 cents. So we're seeing the markets basically trade sideways throughout this little period. We found support at the bottom when Bitcoin hit that $32,000 level, and now we've been working our way up from there and basically holding in this range between around 37 and finding rejection at that 45 level. So what we really need to do is see some exciting news come in, a major catalyst to push Bitcoin above that $45,000 level so we can start testing that $50,000 range. And once things are back above 50K, I think we'll see another mini bull run at least. So Cardano at 80 cent right now, up 1.5%. Terra Luna at $85, up 11% on the day. Absolutely flying. Still down 6% for the week, but if you bought that yesterday on that dip, you're doing absolutely good. So Polkadot $17, up 5% for the day. Dogecoin is at 11 cent right now, up 1.7. SHIB is at 23, at that almost up 3% for the day. Now I wanted to go into this article. Biden is set to issue a sweeping order on regulating crypto. So the long-awaited measure comes as the Russian invasion of Ukraine raises new questions about the asset class. President Biden is set to align an executive order this week ordering a sweeping review of the federal government's approach to cryptocurrencies. According to two people briefed on the matter, the measure, in the works for months, aims to impose some structure on what has been a fractured response from various regulators to the rise of digital assets. It comes as the Russian invasion of Ukraine has sharpened Washington's focus on both the promise and peril of technology. The Ukrainian government and affiliated causes have collected tens of millions of dollars in cryptocurrency donations since the conflict began. Didn't I tell y'all that these government officials and entities are not ignoring this? They're all paying attention to this and jotting this down in their notebook. This is a new thing that they've never been able to see before. Now we're going to see political campaigns basically crowdfunded from citizens through crypto as well. So this is going to be major. But meanwhile, some U.S. policymakers have raised concerns about the potential for Russians to use crypto to dodge sanctions, though others say the relatively small size of the asset market and the traceability of digital tokens make it an unworkable option for targeted Russians. Biden's order will ask for a report on the opportunities crypto presents for illicit financial transactions and what steps the federal government should take to address them, said the people, speaking on the condition of, I can never say this, anonymity, because they were not authorized to speak about the matter publicly. The measure will also ask a number of agencies to produce an analysis of whether it makes sense for the Federal Reserve to launch a central bank digital currency, a sort of digital dollar that other nations, including Russia and China, are exploring. The order tasked the Treasury Department with coordinating a review of any financial stability threats posed by digital assets. It mandates a separate look into environmental concerns raised by the energy required to produce some digital coins, and it requires the State's Department to report on how the federal government should coordinate with foreign counterparts to regulate crypto. The report, highly anticipated by crypto advocates, is neutral on the asset class as a whole, but it sends a signal that the administration believes crypto has proved itself an economic force that will continue to grow rapidly and that policymakers need to reckon with, one person briefed on the order said. So News that Biden is set to sign the measure in the coming days was first reported by Bloomberg. So shout out to them for releasing that. Shout out to the Washington Post for this one. So, this is just something that I just want everybody to pay attention to, because we talked about this a while ago, that mass adoption. And that's basically what we're seeing right now. We're seeing, these government officials, basically let us know they can no longer ignore cryptocurrency. So, learn as much as you can about it right now. The time is now. How do I personally feel about regulation? At first, I didn't want to see anything, to do with regulation. But as we, are moving through, the space, I think it can potentially be a good thing. Do I want to see everything centralized? No. But I feel that a lot more things can come from the market once people feel safe, and they feel they can operate within some legal area of, creating different use cases and things like that. We have a lot of people still worry about, creating certain things for crypto because it's technically not regulated. We got companies like Robinhood afraid to list shibainu, for instance, because the crypto space with altcoins, there's no real regulation with that. So versus listing an asset and then having to backtrack and take it down, or end up finding out later on that they violated some law, people would rather wait for that regulation to set in. So that's all, I think, is good to come from regulation to protect people a little bit more. But hopefully we can still keep, things, decentralized in some form like we have now. But let me know what y'all think about, regulation in the comment section. I noticed a lot of cryptocurrencies are, also creating LLCs now. They're not just, creating these random pop-up, we're starting to see a lot more creators that are serious, or developers that are serious, dox themselves and, form a legal business entity around the coins that they're creating. So I kind of like to see that in a way, because people are attaching their name to it. They're, providing some accountability, and by them, actually forming a business structure around it, it shows that they're more serious, and it's not just like gonna be a rug pull or, just a quick pump and dump. So it's not financial advice, do whatever you want to do, but that's how I'm looking at it. So let me know what y'all think. Now, I have 3 courses available right now. My stock options trading course that will teach you how to trade options. It will also teach you how to day trade. You can, be making $300 a day and clear over 100K a year, and be, cool for some people. If you just want to hit that first 6-figure mark, I got courses that will help, take you to the next level. Also, I got my technical analysis course that will teach you how to understand chart patterns, candlesticks, indicators, and how to put this information together to make better trading decisions, how to get better entries, how to get better exits, to know when to buy, when to sell, when to add to your position, things like that, and also how to be a better trader overall. So if you're one of those people that are serious about this and you want to, kind of speed up your learning curve, and you have more than $1,000 invested into crypto and you're ready to take it to the next level, reach out to me via email, DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. And also I have available my crypto 101 course. Now this course will teach you everything you need to know about crypto. Basically for those who, want a better understanding about it, want to learn which website should you be using, what is this for, what is that for, just everything that basically I feel is important to know for beginners, kind of intermediate level. I bundled it all up into a course for y'all. So again, that's DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. Reach out to me if you're serious. That's all we got for this video. Appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we are out.